about Hiccups. Kipper was having fun with Lee. This one is Kipper and this one is Lee. This one is the Kipper mom to see what they are doing. They are playing frisbee. They had a drink. You see what is this? Maybe I think it's a lemon tea. Look at this. Hic! Said Kipper. He is Hiccup. Kipper hig and Lee nearly laughed at them. Quick! Get a cup of water, said Lee. Lee just maybe points to the kitchen and wants Kipper to get the water. Did Dad get rid of the hiccup? Said Lee. Lee asked if it's okay for hiccups. If it's okay. Hic! Said Kipper. Hic! Kipper also hig. Drink is like this, said Biff. Biff drinks like this. Do you think it's to drop the water? Yes. We don't think so, but do you think Kipper will good? We don't have hic? Maybe yes, but maybe no. Did that get rid of them? Said Biff. Hic, said Kipper. Kipper also hig. Man, Biff that plant can help Kipper. Try hopping and patting your thumb, said she. She have a plant too. You need to try hopping and patting. Else, that's get rid of them, said she. You think it's okay? Maybe yes or maybe no. Hey, said Kipper, it's also not okay. This one is Lee, that grandfather is just eating noodles and a drink, maybe of lemon tea. A shark will get rid of it. Shark, said Biff. Shh, said Biff. Then, boom! You see, Grandpa, that noodle already fell out, and you see, Kipper is. Look at this. He's just scared. He's saying to you did it, said Kipper. You got rid of my hiccup. And Kipper don't have hiccup really. Hic, said Grandpa Chan. Hic, this is Grandpa of Lee's quack.